Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Today we are going to solve exercise of unit number 5 and the name of the unit is Perseus and the Gorgon. First of all, while reading, why did Perseus agree to King Polydectes' demands? Discuss this with your classmates. He wanted to prove his worth. He wanted to escape some possible punishment. He wanted to save his mother. Now look at the challenge. Find words in the story which have the same meaning. Terror, stricken or extremely frightened, petrified. A big meal for lots of people, banquet. A cruel and oppressive ruler, tyrant. Now comprehension. Answer the following question. Question number 1 is, what can we see in the night skies today that has the same name as the hero in this Greek myth? In the northern skies, if you look up on a clear night, you can see a constellation of stars called Perseus. Look at the next question. How is Dictys described and what did he do that demonstrates his personality? Dictys is described as kind. He allows Perseus and Danae to live on his land. Who was Dictys related to? Dictys was related to King Polydectes. What present did King Polydectes ask his guests for, and then what did he ask Perseus to get him? King Polydectes asked his guest to bring him a horse. Then he asked Perseus to get him the head of Medusa. What did Perseus feel when he saw the witches? Why? Perseus felt repulsed when he saw the witches because they were hideous. Why did Perseus steal the witch's eyeball? Perseus stole the witch's eyeball so that he could get them to tell him how he get to the nymphs of Hera. Why did Zeus, Hermes and Athena help Perseus? Zeus, Hermes and Athena helped Perseus because Polydectes was being unfair. Why did Perseus help Andromeda? Perseus helped Andromeda because he admired her bravery and did not want to see her killed. Put the following in their correct order and put said or asked. Add the correct name after each. How can I get rid of this irritating man? How can I get rid of this irritating man? Thought Polydectes. Oh, Perseus, don't you know our customs? Oh, Perseus, don't you know our customs? Asked one guest. Be cunning as well as brave. Be cunning as well as brave, said Athena. You have it, you fool. You have it, you fool, said the second witch. Go to the northern shore. Go to the northern shore, said Athena. Bring me the head of Medusa. Bring me the head of Medusa, said Polydectes.